Want to get a Hostgator coupon code that will get you a Hostgator discount, saving you money on your Hostgator hosting purchase, plus get you a free domain name on annual plans? Then this video is for you. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to get your Hostgator discount. I've included the Hostgator coupon code next to the link in the description that we'll be using later in the video. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning you'll receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostgator discount. You'll save no matter the Hostgator hosting service you choose, whether it's Hostgator shared hosting, Hostgator WordPress hosting, Hostgator VPS hosting, and more. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Hostgator page. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be taken down to the Hostgator hosting plans page. The Hatchling plan is a good plan if you're only going to have one website. The plan comes with 10 GB of SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, basic email included, free domain for the first year, free SSL for the first year, WordPress pre-installed, and malware scanning. The baby plan comes with up to 2 websites, 20 GB of SSD storage, phone and chat support, unmetered bandwidth, basic email included, free domain for the first year, free SSL, WordPress pre-installed, malware scanning, Cloudflare CDN, and increased performance with 2V CPUs. The business plan comes with up to 3 websites, 40 GB of SSD storage, phone and chat support, unmetered bandwidth, basic email included, free domain for the first year, free SSL, WordPress pre-installed, malware scanning, Cloudflare CDN, increased performance 3V CPUs, daily website backup free for the first year, and domain privacy free for the first year. Choose the plan you'd like. I'll select the Hatchling plan for this tutorial. On this page, you'll see you'll get a free domain name for a year with annual plans. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Enter a Coupon Code section. Input the Hostgator coupon code I provided with the link in the description. Scroll back up to the top. Where you see billing cycle, click this. You'll see the terms and pricing for Hostgator. You'll see the savings you'll save. You can choose a monthly term, 12-month term, and 36-month term. Continue entering your account information, payment information, and any additional Hostgator add-ons you'd like. Enjoy your Hostgator coupon code discount so you can save money on your Hostgator hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostgator hosting tutorial videos.